Okay, we're recording now.
All right. So first you download the Spritesheet and uh, just look at the texture type and then change it to Sprite 2D and UI, and then change the sprite mode to multiple. So this is because in a sprite sheet there are multiple sprites. So that's why you should pick multiple. If there are like uh, individual sprites, then you should just use like single. And then after that, you just apply when you make changes, and then the sprite editor. So yeah, this one's already sliced. So just select slice and then pick the type, which is automatic. And you can change the pivot. I think for this one, the pivot should be at the bottom because yeah, everything's centered from the bottom. So for example, when the character like moves around or make another like a motion, like goes forward or backwards, it's going to have a base here, like on the bottom, so it doesn't like look a bit weird. So yeah, after you selected automatic with the bottom pivot, just press slice and then apply, and then it will automatically give you like all of these automated sprites like this. So yeah, there you have it. So all of these multiple sprites are now individual sprites. So you can see how it's moving like this. So let's try to put.
Would that be like a static like for when the player is idle?
Yeah, this is the idle animation. Yeah, I should change this. I should change the name later.
Yeah, we'll standardize how we we'll talk about that in the group. Whether we I'm not sure if there's like some sort of convention for Unity, but it'll probably be good to get into the habit of that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if we can just name it like idle underscore Raynard and then put it inside a folder. So yeah, I think that's how you can cut sprites from a sprite sheet.
Okay. Now that versus the animations folder, what are the differences right now?
Oh, okay. So after this, you can create a new animation file. So, yeah, just create like a new folder if you don't have one already, and just create another folder of them, and create. Just right click, create, and then animation. See, and then you can just like name it anything else. So after you have that ready, you can just click window and then open animation here. And yeah, go down there. So for example, you can just use the previous one here. So I think this one is, this one's forward walk. So when you play it, and then it's playing the actual animation. So see that moving. Okay. And there's another one like, oh wait, this one doesn't do anything.
The graphics in from Harry's surfboards and stuff. They look good in there.
Oh yeah, they look really good. So I just downloaded it yesterday, and yeah, why not? I'll just put it here just to see how it looks. So yeah, that's the back walk, and then left walk, yeah, forward walk. So that's what we're going to do with the sprites that we just got. So let's see. So in this game object, so this is where the sprite is located. So this is a player which holds like the sprite. So the sprite is like what is rendered, like what is seen by the player.
So we'll just switch that to Raynard, and then it should be good.
Yeah. So, for example, this one, we want to use the first state of the animation, right? So we can uh, just open this, and then just drag and drop that sprite, and then okay, it's big.
Oh. All right, we got to resize that, but that's easy.
Oh yeah, so the scale was 8. I think. Oh yeah, so because that one's like 8-bit art, and it's really small, so I had to make the scale like 8 times bigger than that. So we can just change this. Probably 4.
Is that going to give us any issues in the long run? Like, we could probably just ask Harry to resize the surfboards to a standard image, if it will.
Oh, okay. So, for this one, so you can see that this is the player. This holds the controller and all of the collider, but this one independently controls all of the graphics. So you can see this is just the sprite renderer. So technically, if we can just change the scale of this, it wouldn't matter that much.
Okay, all right. It's just we're going to have a lot of different objects with different scales then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's see if I think that's too small. Yeah, that's too small. How about 4, 5? Oh, okay, that one is good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So can I put that like this?
Okay, this is the animator controller.
So yeah, you can create an animator controller. So press create, right click, create, and then animator controller. Just use. Yeah, I kind of forgot how to do this because I rarely animate on Unity.
That's what I was wondering. The way that we have our style made, we're not cutting our sprites up into individual sections, so the animation isn't so much with like moving body parts as it is differing images.
Mm-hmm. Oh wait, let me check again. I think I used like a different method for animation. I was using the script. Let's see.
Yeah, I've seen that one before.
Yeah, I think it's kind of easier to do that.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah, I put off the animations here, like the controller. It's like controlled by the script. So let's try.
Now, is that one that you made, or is that one that was publicly available?
Which one is that?
The player controller? Because I've seen some player controller scripts that look similar to that, but I'm just checking the.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think this is the same one that I just pushed.
Okay, well, all right. So what I mean is, I'm gonna be any of this stuff. I'm trying to document what we do. Mm-hmm. So if we have like a player controller that we use from another website, then I'm going to like keep that in the documentation. So the player controller, did you base it off of something that you found on another website?
Let me think. I kind of forget because this one's like I wrote this like a year ago.
Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
During Hack PSU.
It looks familiar to an open source script that I saw for handling 2D player controls, or I mean like 3D player controls. So, but it's not a big deal. I'll just provide some other resource.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah, I think I remember this. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and some online documentation, and then I'll just pick which one is like the most like efficient. So I think this one is like the one that I researched.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, let's try to put the animation. So yeah, just double click and you'll see how. Oh wait. Oh okay. I think I have to about the animation controller. Make it a new one. Oh okay. I'll just put it back again. Let's see. This one. Oh okay, there it is. So after you open this, like the animation controller, you just have to open this animation file. So it automatically assigns to this player. Oh wait. Get it in. You know what? I think I can just do this. Right. So these are timestamps.
Mm-hmm.
You can simply drag and drop like the idle like the idle animations with the sprites that we got from the spreadsheet. So just drag and drop. You can also zoom in just to see how these timestamps be more specific. So let's try it. So
Yeah, I assume our idle is going to be less than 5 seconds, right?
mm-hmm.
Probably 2 or 3.
Yeah. So let's try. Yeah, I'm just testing if this would work. So 1, wait, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Nine. And I think, yeah, I have to turn the loop on. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's 1/10 of a second.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's why we need to.
Oh, I thought there was 1 whole second, and I was like 10.
Yeah, 10. I just noticed that as well. So we can just change this. Yeah, I think a bit better. I'm sure there's a faster way than this, but yeah, let's
I know what you mean.
see if this works, and then we can just find a better way how to do that.
Yeah. I think maybe that samples thing in the top left. I mean, what you're doing now is fine since we have so little, but I thought maybe that's like.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So, maybe we can just reduce this to like 10 because we only have 10 sprites.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Wait.
Oh wait. It's
I
actually.
mean, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it's a little.
Yeah.
We still need to do what we did before, but.
Wait. I know that.
Nice.
All right. Nice. Awesome. So yeah, there you have it. So that's how you make an animation from these sprites.
Sweet.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, let me check because this might not work on game. Oh, okay. It's automatically working. Okay, this is cool. All right. So yeah, I can't wait until Harry could finish the walk animations. So yeah, that'll be interesting.
Yeah, I'll cut this. We'll figure out a way how to get this to him so he can see what he's been doing actually in game.
Uh-huh. All right. So yeah, there you have it.
Very cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I'll stop recording. We can stick on the meeting for a little bit more, but I think that's a pretty good section that's digestible. So.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, no.